In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you want to stop those alerts from popping up on your phone or browser, this guide will make it super easy. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This is where you'll find additional account settings and options that aren't shown on the main menu. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the main settings area for your X account, where you can control notifications, privacy, and other account preferences. Next, click on Notifications. This section is where X lets you manage the different kinds of alerts you receive. Now, inside Notifications, click on Preferences. This is the area that controls how and when X sends notifications to you. From there, click on Push Notifications. This will open the settings specifically for push alerts on your device. Finally, toggle off push notifications. Once you switch that off, X will stop sending push notification alerts to your phone or browser. And that's it. You've successfully turned off push notifications in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.